Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today I want to talk about something that's really kind of gotten under my skin lately because I've been to a lot of projects and I've been seeing a lot of competitors' products, and I'm just amazed at how little care and attention is delegated and relegated, if you will, to quality. Some of the things I see, I just can't believe. So today I want to talk about quality really is a product. You have to build things today that have quality. I know it's all about quantity, sell as much as you can, make as much money as you can, but that's not really a good definition of quality, especially when it comes to room acoustic products. Because most of our speakers and amplifiers today have finishes on them that are wonderful. The designer, the manufacturer took extra care to make the unit look nice. Yes, you pay for that. Nothing is free, okay? But the bottom line here is, you're going to be using this equipment to produce lots of pleasure for yourself. Pleasure from the stresses of life, which there are many. Try running a company with hundreds of employees. I'll give you stress. But the bottom line is, let's produce products that have quality as part of the product. And the things I'm seeing out there, I'm seeing bird cage wire used to cover building insulation and then fabric. I'm seeing actual cardboard being used in the construction of some of these products. I just can't believe what I'm seeing. So design and function, as an engineer myself and as a person who sells products, is really critical. So the design has to be compatible with what you're trying to accomplish. The function has to work as advertised. I don't see much of that in the marketplace today. I don't see a lot of real good function. I see a lot of big claims that their product does this, that, or the other, and nothing could be further from the truth. All you have to do is cut the product open and look at it. You don't even have to do that just look at how thick the product is. If it's a middle and high frequency sound absorbing product, which usually it is, masquerading as a low frequency absorber, bass trap, which we know that's not true, there's no way. Any engineer can tell you that a 2-inch product that's 2 inches deep can't absorb any bass. Low frequency energy. You just can't. Unless you move to another planet and get a new whole laws of physics. So nothing I'm seeing out there works as advertised. So be very careful when you're shopping, okay? Appearance. If you look at the appearance of these products and then you look at the photos on the websites of the companies that offer the product, it's horrible. There's no correlation at all. If you saw the actual product, that's why on our pages, I always try to put actual photographs, to the dismay and whatever you want to call it of my marketing people who say, no, let's do graphics. And I say, no, we can do graphics, but we have to have photos of the actual product with the actual finishes, because I want customers to see what they're getting. I'm proud of our finishes. I'm proud that we use furniture grade materials. I'm proud that we use cabinet construction methodology. Our products are built better than anything probably in your house that's wood related. We got 140 years of cabinet making experience in my company. We take it very, very seriously. Our products won't fall apart. So, and they'll last forever. So quality is a product. You have to incorporate quality in. Not only does our stuff look good, okay, so it's got good design, it's got great function. And yes, everything works as advertised. In most cases, we understate the performance. So just a little bit of a heads up, we're all about quality in performance. We're all about quality in appearance. And our stuffs are really pieces of furniture in the way they're built. So thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.